Snoring affects many people during their sleep. Often people do not even realize they are snoring. Let's turn on the lights and see where the snoring is coming from. Snoring occurs when the airway becomes partially blocked, forcing the lungs to inhale harder to compensate for the lack of air entering the body. The snoring sound results from the vibration of these two structures, the soft palate and the uvula. Several factors contribute to snoring, including excessive alcohol intake, nasal congestion, obesity, and enlarged tonsils and adenoids. Snoring by itself is not necessarily dangerous, but some snorers have such severe airflow blockage that it prevents them from getting quality sleep. This condition, called sleep apnea, is common but dangerous if left untreated.